Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another video on how you can copy your Twitter profile link on your device. I'll be guiding you throughout this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, Twitter does not have a feature to copy the profile link, so in order to copy a Twitter profile link, you cannot do it from the application, so then you'll have to log in from the web browser. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. So then you'll have to log in from the web browser. So then open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box you'll have to type in www.twitter.login.com. You can also find the link on the description box below. Once you're in this page, you have a multiple option. So then you'll have to tap on mobile.twitter.login, and after that you'll have to provide your login credential that includes your username, email address or your phone number, and then your password. After you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. You can see right on top there's a search box, so then just tap on it. After you tap on the search bar, next page under the search bar you can see there's a link of your Twitter. So all you need to do is tap on the pencil icon. After you tap on the pencil icon, now what you need to do is you'll have to type in your username. So all you need to do is type in @ and then enter your username. Once you've typed in your username, now you need to select it all, and after that you'll have to copy it, and this is your Twitter profile link. So in order to paste it, you'll have to go back to your home screen and then open up the application. So for example, I'll go with the Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, tap on the profile icon located right at the bottom, and once the profile page is loaded, tap on edit profile, tap on links, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll have to paste the link. So this is the profile link to your Twitter. So all you need to do is tap on the tick icon in the top right, and once again, in order to save the changes, tap on tick in the top right. So that is how you can copy your Twitter profile link on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.